A judge orders a New Orleans East mother to stay away from her children after police say her 12-year-old son left home and died. Gabby Killett reports it's not the first time she's been banned from seeing her kids.
Hilda Vasquez wept in court as she agreed to comply with protective orders that bar her from interacting with her 3 living children until the criminal case against her ends. 12-year-old Brian Vasquez died due to blunt force trauma and drowning from an alligator attack after the nonverbal boy ran away from home last month. Police arrested Vasquez Sunday.
That's just a policeman going to a judge and saying, sign this so I can arrest her. There's a minimal amount of things that we think we have a reason to do that. She hasn't had a preliminary hearing, hasn't been brought before a grand jury, so we're very early in the process.
The court issued a similar protective order against Vasquez in 2014 during another case involving Brian, for which Vasquez was convicted of cruelty to a juvenile. That case originated when Brian was 3 months old. He was found with a skull fracture, a collapsed lung, retinal hemorrhages, and brain swelling. The Department of Children and Family Services eventually allowed Vasquez supervised visits with Brian, and after parental classes, she regained custody of him. Police referenced the past case in an affidavit for Vasquez's arrest in connection to Brian's death.
What it means is the police feel that someone died as a result of someone else's gross negligence.
During the search for Brian in August, his mother maintained he was autistic. However, court records from a 2022 Department of Children and Family Services report say Brian was born a healthy baby, but suffered a traumatic brain injury in his childhood, and that his mother had left his siblings and him without supervision. Fox 8 legal analyst Joe Respani says charging his mother in connection with Brian's death required a high bar of negligence.
It's to a higher level of negligence or a standard that's well below what should be done, in this case, by a mother to her child.
Magistrate Commissioner Jonathan Friedman set a hearing for Monday to determine whether Vasquez will be held without bond.
District attorneys should only ask for no bond in very particular situations, which may not apply here. And that is that this person is such a danger to other people or is such a flight risk that they need to be held without bond.
Vasquez also has a hearing set for Friday to determine which attorney will represent her throughout her criminal case.